So I have my iPhone for a couple of years now and started to realize my audio is becoming softer and my microphone is also becoming softer. Another problem is sometimes when I plug it in to charge and go to bed, the next morning it didn't charge, even though it started when I plugged it in. If you are experiencing the same problems, before you take it in for repairs, try to clean it and see if that helps. Here's how. First, make sure the phone is turned off. Then if you have a cover, remove it. Wipe it off with cleaning alcohol lightly sprayed on a microfiber cloth. This will also help your phone run a little bit cooler, and it's also not a bad idea to clean your phone every now and then. First, we'll start by cleaning the charger port. By using a toothpick, gently remove all of the debris, making sure to get the dust in the corners as well. This debris comes from your pockets or handbags and builds up over time. This then causes the plug not to go all the way in, and after a while the plug loses proper connections, resulting in the phone not being charged. Secondly, we'll clean the speaker and mic grids. Also, using a dull toothpick, lightly loosen the dust on the grids. Then spray some alcohol cleaner on a soft toothbrush and lightly brush the debris away. Using your microfiber cloth once again, give the phone another wipe. Also make sure if you have a cover, give that a thorough clean as well before putting the phone back into the cover. So before sending it in, just give your phone a clean and see if that will help and sort out the issues. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video to be helpful and you want to see more like this, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments down below because we're looking forward to hearing from you.